Yeah, just a quick little video, Eagles Tracker. You know I don't like to stay around local too long, so guess where we're heading? Special guest star Sergeant Bill John. Cowtown! We're heading over to Cowtown Rodeo. This is a really cool bridge. There's the soccer stadium. PPL Park, home of the Philadelphia Union, and we are going over the longest bridge in the world. Goes from New Jersey right over there to Africa, back over there. Pretty cool. Look at the sun shining through. Nice. So we're gonna go to Cowtown. We're gonna get some
We're going to the New Jersey side. Trump Nation.
Well, Trump lost in New Jersey. Trump won in Pennsylvania.
But Trump owned Jersey.
But guess what? Look at that sunshine. It's a beautiful Trump kind of day. I'll show you the back of the car later. We're in the Trump-mobile.
Trump. Join the Trump wagon.
That's awesome.
You may have seen it.
It's actually great.
I'm passing Hillary right now.
That's a Hillary boy. It's great catfishing over there. It's called Old Man's River. Oh, great catfishing over there. Beautiful. There's Bridgeport Speedway. I've seen many videos over there. It's right over there behind them trees. Yep. Commodore Barry Bridge. Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Well, Delaware County, Pennsylvania. All right, see you. Quick stuff.